everyone, I hope you all are doing superb. So welcome to our video series of how to conduct a super profitable sales webinar. So in the last video we have covered how to start a webinar and what all point needs to be covered in starting 5 minutes. If you haven't seen that video, click link is in the description and in the somewhere here as well. You can go there and actually watch that video and come back to watch this second part of the video in which we are going to cover point number 6 to point number 10. Okay, so the point number 6 is why they should actually learn this skill. Means, for example, I'm talking about public speaking, right? So if I'm talking about public speaking, you should learn public speaking, that's perfectly fine. But if you are not learning this skill, what all you are losing, right? So you can actually mention, I'm talking about public speaking, you can talk about your niche. So in public speaking, if you are not a good public speaker, it has been shown through stats that who are not good communicator and public speaker, do not get that much promotion, do not get that much hike in their salary, do not excel in their business. So these points you have to keep that in your mind, and you have to put these points in your audience mind so that they understand that if they are not going to learn these skills and these secrets which you are going to share in this webinar, they are going to lose very, very valid points and so much in their lives. Okay, so this thing has to come in your target audience mind. So that is the 6th point we need to take care of. The 7th point is share your story. Very, 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 and I think the most powerful point among the 15 points which we are discussing is share your story. As Pedro Silva said, story sells, facts just tells. Okay, you are giving value perfectly fine, you are connecting with them perfectly fine, but the best connection source is through your story, right? That why you are conducting these kind of webinars, why you are actually helping people in this particular niche, what happened in your life and how you overcome those challenges, right? And how you are actually helping others now to not face those challenges in their life, right? Everyone wants a good hero story. So you have to create your hero, you have to be in that hero zone, and you have to you have to tell that hero story to your target audience. Okay, so please share your story, people connect to your stories, and because all the sales which happens, right, okay, it has more than 90% is on emotional front, 10% is on factual front, right? So if a person is connected to you emotionally, if a person is connected to your pain points, if a person is able to connect his or her pain points to your course or to your workshop or to your consulting, they will convert. Otherwise, chances are very less. Okay, so share your story, and not sharing your story just to sell them. Yeah, like from the bottom of your heart, it has to come naturally, right? It has to come that without any expectation. That authenticity has to be there when you are sharing your story. Okay, so please keep that point in your mind. So the next point is share your content, right? Whatever the secrets, whatever the content which you really want to put in that webinar, by which you are going to provide value to people, share that content, share that value to people. And in the 90 minutes webinar, it has to be around 45 to 5 minutes, because up to sharing your story, the duration is 15 minutes or so. Try to create all the stuffs up to sharing your story in 15 minutes, then share all the content which you have, right, in next 45 minutes, and it has to be value driven content, right? And divide it into pointers, and I would say particular points. So you can say like the top 3 secrets. So discuss about those secrets, top 5 takeaways, top 5 key points you need to take care of that particular niche. So there has to be a number, so the person is understanding, right? Okay, the person that he is learning the 4th point, he is learning the 3rd point, right? These things has to be mentioned when you are actually sharing your content, right? So keep that in mind. And the most important point, when you are actually sharing your content, let's say I'm talking about top 3 secrets, right, of public speaking, top 3 secrets of affiliate marketing, anything, right? After every secret, share one testimony. Okay, after every secret, share one testimony, right? Of testimonial should be a video testimonial, testimonial should be a written testimonial. It can be a written testimonial, but the best part is if you really have some students, if you really have some people who already got some value, connect with them, be friends with them, and ask them if they can come to your live webinar and share their testimony. That works like magic. If you can bring people, if you can bring your students in the live webinar itself and they can share his or her story, that's commendable. It works like a magical pill, trust me guys. But if you are not able to do that, try to have the video testimonial and and share that, and just start play that video testimonial after every secret. Okay, through this, share the content for next 45 minutes. So the next point is, as I said, right, I already covered keep on showing testimony, which is the next point only, keep on showing the testimonials. And the next point, which is very, very, very important, right, is create a sales bridge. Okay, how you are actually creating a sales bridge? You have actually, given the good quality content, but now that people are connected with you, people know that you know your stuff, but how you can convince them to actually come to your paid online community, to actually get that value from your main advanced workshop, online course or consulting. How to do that? That requires a skill set, guys. It's not, I would say, easy, but it's simple, right? Like a lot of things are simple, but they're not easy. So the same thing happens when we are creating the sales bridge. Okay, so this point needs to be you have to take care of this particular point of sales bridge. And how to create it, let me give you an example by which you are going to learn. Let's say I'm talking about public speaking. I have given the content, I have given the secrets. After that, I can ask 2-3 real serious questions. So I start with that. Now I'm going to ask some serious questions to you people. First is, how many people are here who understand that there are a lot more to learn when we talk about public speaking, right? Apart from these top 3 secrets as well. Yes, they are going to help you, but there are a lot more practical stuffs. There are a lot more need to be learned, and you have to actually become really good in public speaking if you really want to grow in your career. How many people really understand the value of this particular thing, that yes, public speaking matters a lot? People are going to type yes. The next question comes is, how many people are here who understand that if you are not learning these skills, you are going to lose something really important in your life? You actually show that fear factor to them as well, okay, during webinar itself. So how many people are there? Okay, people are going again, there's me, yes, I think. Then ask the next question, which is a very great question and the most important question in sales bridge. How many people are really serious, who are really want to learn these skills in a step-by-step system, where I'll be helping you in each and every step in a practical manner, and you'll be learning these skills and actually growing in your career? How many people are really serious and want to invest their time, energy and money? Mention money. Some people are like, I'll say money, people will go, people will not understand. This is your psychology, man. This is your mindset. It's a value exchange. You are actually giving your time, you are actually giving your online courses. It's a value exchange. So people who pay, they become serious. People who are serious, they take actions. People who take actions, they become successful. Right? So ask them that how many people are here who are really serious and they really want to invest their time, energy and money, right? Ask them. All the people who are not serious, they will leave the webinar. You can ask them as well, if you're not serious, you can leave the webinar. This because the things which I am going to share with you is for the serious people who really want to take this particular journey forward and really want to learn this skill. You can ask this particular question to them as well. Okay, by which you are able to segregate people who are really serious. Then you can actually start giving your offer. Okay, then start giving your offer. So the next point which I am going to cover is how to actually start giving an offer, but that point will be described in the next video. Okay, so I hope you liked the 5 points which we discussed, which are, I guess, why it is particularly important. Share your story, share the content, keep on showing testimonial and create a sales bridge. Okay, from 6 to 10 these points are there which we have discussed in this particular video. In the next video, which we are going to discuss how to create the share the offer, how to do all the things, right? This is a surprise, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video with all the people who are into coaching endeavor, who are into knowledge giving industry, and who are into edutech startups, right? Who are doing this consulting and webinars, right? Okay? It really can help you, and it really can help all those people out there as well. So please share this video with those people, and I am going to meet you in my next video. Till then, keep hustling, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye. Cheers.